My name is Jacob Daniel Yenube, popularly known as Adongo.
Which constituency?
Bunkpurgu, Nampanduri constituency.
Are you a delegate?
I'm a delegate, a polling station chairman.
So, the last election, did you vote for Honorable Ken?
Yes, I went for Ken. I voted for Ken.
But after the count, Ken had 0.
But I have voted for him because we had no power than to say I voted for Ken. But though we have no power, but I've voted for Ken, I'm having the evidence.
What indicates that you voted for Ken and what actually happened on the election?
Because they were struggling, and then because we had no one to prevent us, they were using power and other things. Because as we are, when I voted and I was having my phone, even my phone up till date, because of Ken, I didn't want to change my phone. If I change my phone, the date that I voted for Ken, it was 4th November 2023. I voted for Ken. The evidence is still there. Because of that, I kept my phone.
Why did you have a hint that they were going to they will not count Ken? Or why did you decide to take a picture or photo video?
Because they were saying that though if I like you, I'll vote and then snap for you. But they were saying they shouldn't enter with phone. But I managed myself because of Ken is in my heart. I managed with my phone and entered and took the picture. When I voted, I took the picture. And coming out, the police picked the phone away from me and threw it. I had to rush and pick it.
So were you surprised when after the counting Ken had 0?
Yes, I was there. When they said Ken had 0, we had no power. We had no money. We had nothing to say than to say. But the only thing I was having is my evidence. The only thing I was having is my evidence. The voting evidence, that was what I was having.
So this time, are you still going to vote for Ken?
Oh, for life. For life. I'm not saying, what if I like you day one, I'll still like you. Not today. He's in my heart.
So it means you need a security, you need a protection on the election day, right?
Yes, we need protection. But nowadays, this time around, because we were not well prepared. We didn't know that it will happen like that. But now we are well prepared.
How prepared are you?
No, for voting, how can you cheat me on my interest? You can't cheat me on my interest. I'm ready for him. If I vote and you count, the EC must count it again. They will recount. No, we are not deaf and dumb. Because as at that time they were using power, but this time around we are there for Ken.
Yes.
We are there 24/7. We are there for him. We are there.
So what message do you have for Honorable Ken?
Honorable Ken must win. He's winning. Honorable Ken is winning, hands down.
So the number of delegates here, do you have a message for the delegates here?
No, we have a delegate and we also have platform. He's also my brother. We are having platform for Ken because we can't put it in constituency and then district platform. We are having our own platform for Ken and we are doing it underground.
So this time you need protection?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Akwa, but we did the same.
Bacho me didn't make coffee amogbe.
Hi, Hemfa.
Bacho I Bunkpurgu Nampanduri constituency. Best see a baby ejina e Bunkpurgu.
Yes, I'm
Bacho I me wasam kapa. Bacho asama me wano before I'm back and my chat for you because you're for you bet you know obumbe shano matie. Bacho last no day. Bacho ye vote Ken. Number one to last one. Oman County.
How? Because you're 2 about your kind of Bunkpurgu constituency. Honorable Ken is 0. What's that what to market?
Then me 2 man. I want me GDM. Me 2 man say. Anka I say me twa. Na time I say twa no na problem ba no. Na so me am for twa bebre. Na so ne ye wie no ye nipa be no wo honum e wo correcting center. Onya 25. nso man county
Kenya 25
25 na Bunkpuru na Panduru constituency nso man county the mentime ho the enti na man county ne say because of we get serious police state executive no enu na ma o man calculate o man count then this time round bacho o ko round no dio on timi nti obi asam na se o ko trans na se mo bo video no kire no a ye kire no se when you wild this time round ne dia ye conscious na say o ye pe serious police station agent that no serious one
and
security the place they go no omko hono we are no account obi obenya one be wanya no one obi wanya two be no mo count no one onya two a omo count 2 onya 3 omo count 3 onya 0 omo count 0 now ultimately free from along of this journey no ba na chance yen Bunkpuru na Kwaduru MPP ni ho ana ye wo nanso no due to some things and ye don't make us say make us make e pen pa sorry santas e peken because ye nyina yo anya say ken no offer different angle e the same party do MPP so ye vote no one na mo no count mo ho say ye count no one na se kurampo na ye omo ye vote you are omo ye and omo wie bibia oni o 0 no e say next time no na se nyam ya dum na sankada no o wini a na nka bibi pa be Africa na ho abaye disutu anka e benya na anka enya because obe otenasia obehwe se na bebe o wini maybe e benya nkora na ye late so ye vote man ye two man na sese no we wal because sese be burusa so be burusa no we wal no man nipa no ye wal ye wo the bought se meter because be around ye twi nipa no ye be den na e kokogina obiem so man nipa obehwe na say by the end no nyina na ono so anya ne de na o ma count na Panduru aka o ma count Bunkpuru na Panduru aka na otumi won say yes na Panduru ampa Bunkpuru ampa last no omo vote no na count no man count ayi no man o man here the crown o man frɛ na omo
ken say oba no oba ba ye agree ama mo fufu ye ye fufu bi wa say e dey asem ana wo kan che delegate o meto aba
on say ye era de agree ka kwa adwuma na ye enu de ye papa edu time even list ye krampo ya anya for treasure and go ye fet anka honorable the last no anka on beto amano bokufo beto amano garufo beto amano obia beto amano be same chese or ye neutral because say no me kanu me person obia anti wo yuasim say ye be san to aba ye to aba na say honorable ebe nyame na yi ni pa ye beto na nyame na yi ba omedia problem aye wo dada no the same thing so we need neutral person obe ba na ne pa no atese te se na omoka wo Kumasi so na omoka wo ye ntemase Baku of East of Radio Savannah region and what one of East and what no e chese ye vote man krampo na eba the same thing so ye misre say ye pese ye MPP mpajawa eno ne say ye hwe ye na eto abaye no ye na eto amaken no na bibia adati eno anu no
Ken omo frɛ me Ken wo me police station wo
ade je ko Ken
me penasem
the last election what man Ken
me two manu na me polling executive wo me chairman organizer youth organizer na ye for two manu women's organizer na mentimi kanasem but ye for no me ye show ye two manu so omo be kan ye ya hu say ya nya ba kokura
na wo na say man to amano so ye zero say me so
ye two manu ti ya hu de ntia ya hu de ntia e ba santi e wo no su ye nim bebe e be hu ken ena nyame bua e ba musa ba hai nti mu ba ye de en nti na e pese en kasa entre MPP fo party nu enye nipa ba ko de party ni ye nyina ye de nti upewe na obi pewe a de efata we na omudi ba no fama no enye se obi nkoto aba ema nipa na ekire omu kache onya zero na ekire sen ana se mitu ya no menim nipa mitu ma no de ha ya pa tinyame buo su ken ba no on yiri hu last se omudi adaka no ko police officer na omu kan ti obi antumi nro ho nti won bie na ni no o ma na ni nda ho ti we e betu ye 100% say manu de e be manu nti won yiri nu na o mu kan hu say de ye nu wa hu nti yes mu panacho won yiri nu na o ma o mu hweso ye betu amanu so ye tu manu o ma o mu kan na hu say ye bunkurugu na kwanduru constituency ye tu manu nti mi dasi
bɛyɛ mu masa pastor mo frɛ me Mahmudu Abdurrahman Sergeant Banwa
na last election now o support on Ken
pastor na me Ken agent
now Ken agent oh
pastor bunkurugu na kwanduri consensus
ye na Ken na zero
no nya zero ko no moto ama no mia me no ko de mutuma no kura ma wo se Ken ebi mo asɛ na me phone so 5 vote
wo na o to
me ntuye me de na me agent na me ntuye nya ko connector na tuye connector no ya chairman ono so me ni nenam
ento ade na si enti a omo to ma Ken na Ken nya zero
ato ye de ko duru ono awon de na doso amanfo atoto won se mun kan won kan nyina ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye de no so watu be mo kan no so dan ko ma gina won se mo bebu mi so mo me ne hon me ni de o metma ye o mu nti ye kaya no atum ye yan kahwe be wona bur Ken wanya vote enya vote kitwa amanfo se ni ma me gina wo se no 5 vote de o mu ni mi se so far fast ni vote man ayo me phone so
ti ade asa na o kan check
Ken na Ken kon kure na mintimi nka kire Ken but na no bodyguard bi di nechi me seni sa ne man nyina ma no se o ma ono Ken no se bunkudu na kwandu ko se wanya zero sana me ya ma mu
the next election mu nya security
oh ya security me ya me gina ho no kura next vote where be ba tu no enya easy me kura me pe security wa ha na me sa sere ono Ken o ma security wa national mo mbra bo me wa bunkurugu wa
this year campaign e ko say
this campaign dey akọ na ye amanfo eba to we ya twem kura akwaduru bebia na Ken na se no muka mo se mo pa nipa o betima kan no kura o se obeya se ya na wa ye mo pese de o be ka on timi ye sa na manfo ka se nda se no kura mpo e gina we anapa we no and the whole day nyina be Ken na sem ndisi for kura solo Ken omo si de mu wona de mu dia eni so mo sa ko bet omo si Ken nya we ni ya omo lusu no ente okurugo ha nyina we na kwado ko si se ni abie o e hwe Ken honorable Ohini Ken a Japan ono na ewo number 1.
My name is Yambro Prospertami.
Okay, from which constituency?
Bunkurugu constituency, precisely.
Were you here on the election in the last?
Yes, I was here.
And what happened?
And they voted, and people voted Honorable Kennedy Ohini Japan, and their votes were not counted.
How?
Yes, because they had an opportunity to snap when they voted, and their ballot was not counted. And a lot of delegates voted, and this time around, we the youth, we are prepared to ensure that free and fair election prevail, because we were not happy what happened. The election conducted that particular day was not free and fair. So as a matter of fact, we are saying and we are to defend, coming 31st January, we are going to protect the ballot so that nobody can cheat again. Thank you.
Yes, my name is Kambil Swalamba.
Okay, where are we now?
Yes, I'm currently in the Bunkurugu constituency. that is Bunkuru Nankpanduri district.
Do you support Honorable Ken?
Yes, I support Honorable Ken Ohene Ejapong for 2028. And we are hoping that he will be elected by the delegates in the coming primaries, which is scheduled for January 31st. So I'm a die-hard supporter of Ken Ajapong, and we are the youth activists, and I'm the youth leader for Ken Ajapong for this particular constituency.
Were you surprised when Ken had 0 constituency?
Yes, I was very, very much surprised that Honorable Ken Ajapong had 0. In fact, he didn't have 0.
Why was you surprised? Because your delegates did not vote for him.
Yes, the delegates actually voted for him, but we suspect that the people cheated. They cheated for Bawumia because there was no way Bawumia would have gotten 100% because we had our people, we did our research, we organized the people, were able to, solicit their support, and they actually voted, but their vote didn't count.
So what do you have for Honorable Ken?
Yes, the message we have for Honorable Ken Ajapong is that this time around, what happened the last time will not happen again. So we are going to strengthen the security and also ensure that we employ every means possible to ensure that every vote counts. Because the people are yearning for Honorable Ken Ajapong because he's the right man to lead this country and to lead the MPP into the 2028 elections. Because he has evidence of several businesses that he's employing several Ghanaians that are working and earning something for living. So we believe that he has a practical experience, he has a practical knowledge to handle this particular country so that we can take power back from the NDC. The NDC cannot help us. They cannot handle the economy. They don't have the intelligence, they don't have the economic, buoyancy as in knowledge to be able to manage this economy. Unless Honorable Ohene Ejapong, who will handle this economy very well.